space is back in business. We're talking about space worldwide, the finance, all about the tech, the downstream, how we use space. We've got an eclectic mix of speakers, but also Q&A from the audience. So it's a very full packed day. We have about 150 guests here to meet and greet, and we've got a very large online audience. And it's great just to meet people after being a year and a half in lockdown.
Hi, so my name's Stuart Laws. I work for the UK Ministry of Defence in the Defence Innovation Unit. So today I was also a chair of a panel discussion. So there's been some really good conversations, some points that I hadn't considered that I need to run away now and figure out how I'm going to tie those into my future challenges as well. So if you get a chance, please do come and join us next time.
My name is Annette Toivonen. I'm one of the speakers of the SPACEtalks event today. It has been a really fantastic conference, hearing fascinating angles of all kinds of sectors of this new space industry. I have really enjoyed being here.